Here's some historical banking trivia. Subscribe. Which bank was founded by Alexander Hamilton? Is it A, Bank of America, B, First Bank of the United States, C, Citibank, or D, Wells Fargo? The correct answer is B, First Bank of the United States. What is the name of the Italian bank established in 1472? Is it A, Unicredit Bank, B, Banca Intesa, C, Banco di Napoli, or D, Banca Monte dei Paschi? The correct answer is D, Banca Monte dei Paschi. What bank was founded during the Great Depression? Is it A, Bank of America, B, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, C, Citigroup, or D, Wells Fargo? The correct answer is B, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. What institution is known as the world's first central bank? Is it A, Federal Reserve, B, Bank of England, C, Sveriges Riksbank, or D, European Central Bank? The correct answer is C, Sveriges Riksbank. What was the first successful credit card introduced? Is it A, Diners Club Card, B, American Express, C, Discover Card, or D, Visa Card? The correct answer is A, Diners Club Card. Which banking scandal involved the Bank of Credit and Commerce International? Is it A, BCCI, B, HSBC Holdings, C, Lehman Brothers, or D, Barings Bank? The correct answer is A. What financial crisis is linked to subprime mortgages? Is it A, 2010 Eurozone crisis, B, 2008 financial crisis, C, dot-com bubble, or D, Asian financial crisis? The correct answer is B, 2008 financial crisis. What institution is known for its gold standard policy? Is it A, European Central Bank, B, Bank of Japan, C, Bank of England, or D, Federal Reserve? The correct answer is C, Bank of England. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.